Welcome back to the Canadian Drone Pilot's Guide. Drones have revolutionized the way we capture the world around us, offering stunning views of nature from perspectives previously unimaginable. However, with great power comes great responsibility. In the pristine waters off the coast of British Columbia, marine life thrives, particularly the majestic whales that migrate through these waters annually. However, not everyone respects the delicate balance of nature. In 2024, a BC-based film company found themselves at the center of controversy after being caught illegally using drones to film whales in protected waters. Canadian law is clear. It is illegal to operate a drone within a certain proximity to marine mammals, particularly whales, without proper permits. This is to prevent stress and potential harm to these magnificent creatures. Despite these regulations, the film company proceeded with their shoot, operating multiple drones dangerously close to a pod of whales. Local authorities and conservation groups quickly responded, and the company was charged with violating marine protection laws. Marine biologists and drone experts have spoken out about the potential harm caused by such actions. The film company faced significant legal repercussions, including fines and restrictions on their future operations. This case serves as a stark reminder of the importance of adhering to regulations designed to protecting wildlife. Illegal drone use around wildlife is a growing concern, according to recent studies. Disturbances caused by drones can lead to behavioral changes in whales, affecting their migration patterns and breeding activities. Drones can be powerful tools for education, conservation, and filmmaking when used responsibly. Understanding and following the laws is crucial for protecting our environment. At Sugu Drones, we believe in responsible drone use and educating the public on best practices. If you're looking to learn more about how to use drones legally and ethically, check out our training programs linked below. In addition to this, please check out our latest books, All the Tales of Flying Friends, meant for young adolescents to learn about drones, technology, and STEM. Thank you for watching. The links for purchase for books are below, and if you'd like to learn more about the fines these operators face, please visit the links below as well. Have a great day, and we look forward to seeing you soon.